In this video, I'll show you how to use the Facebook AI image feature for World Cup 2026. Before we begin, keep in mind that this feature may not be available in all countries or on all accounts. If you don't see the option, make sure your Facebook app is updated and check back later as features are often rolled out gradually. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap Create Story at the top of your home feed. Select a clear photo of yourself from your camera roll. Once your photo is loaded, look for the AI Edit option in the editing toolbar and tap on it. From the available AI tools, select Wear It. You'll then see a list of countries and national teams. Browse the options and choose the team you'd like to support. Facebook's AI will process your image and automatically transform your clothing into that team's jersey. Wait a few moments for the edit to complete. Once you're happy with the result, tap Share to Story to post it, or save the image to your device and use it as your profile picture. And that's how to use the Facebook AI Wear It feature for World Cup 2026. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.